Residual value. This Chevrolet Tahoe boasts a gas/ethanol V8 5.3 liters/325 engine powering this automatic transmission. Wireless charging, only on vehicles built after October 5, 2014. Not compatible with all phones. Compliant batteries include QI and PMA technologies. Reference mobile devices manual to confirm what type of battery it uses. Wipers, front intermittent, Rainsense, wiper, rear intermittent with washer. This Chevrolet Tahoe comes equipped with these options: windows, power, all express down, front express up, wheels, 20x9, 50.8 cm by 22.9 cm, polished aluminum, wheel, full-size spare, 17, 43.2 cm, steel, warning tones headlamp on, key and ignition, driver and right front passenger safety belt unfasten and turn signal on, universal home remote includes garage door opener, programmable. Trailering equipment includes trailering hitch platform, 7-wire harness with independent fused trailering circuits mated to a 7-way sealed connector and 2 trailering receiver. Tires, P275/55R20 all season. Blackwall, tire, spare P265/70R17 all season. Blackwall, tire pressure monitor system, air pressure sensors in each tire with pressure display and driver information center. Does not apply to spare tire, tire carrier, lockable outside spare, winch type mounted under frame at rear. The votes are counted ALG Best Residual Value, KBB.com 15 Best Family Cars, KBB.com Best Buy Awards. See what the experts say. As reported by the manufacturer summary, whether you're headed for a weekend at the lake or a quick stop at the office, the groundbreaking, all-new 2015 Tahoe gives you the confidence to go anywhere. The striking design of the all-new Tahoe features sculpted body side panels and an athletic stance that makes an indelible first impression. Details include a distinct available lighting package with standard projector beam headlamps and rear LED tail lamps, plus a hidden rear wiper system tucked under the rear spoiler at the roofline. Tahoe also offers available power retractable side assist steps with perimeter lighting, which help passengers exit safely. The new Tahoe interior features premium materials that contribute to the functional, sophisticated design. Storage in the center console is large enough to fit a laptop computer. Plus, the available 8-inch diagonal color touchscreen slides up to reveal space behind the display to store cell phones, wallets or other valuables. Customize the touchscreen to choose the information or options you use most and place them on your home screen. The interface allows you to touch and swipe on the screen just like you do on your smartphone. Tahoe LTZ models offer standard heated and cooled perforated leather appointed front bucket seats. You'll enjoy the convenience of available power release second row and fold flat third row seats, the fastest power release second row and power folding third row seats of any competitor, and the versatility of a flat load floor to store cargo. With the second and third row seats folded flat, the all-new Tahoe offers 94.7 cubic feet of cargo space. It starts with the world-class Ecotec 3 5.3 liters V8, an all-new engine designed to generate more power and offer better fuel economy than any large SUV of any competitor in the industry. An EPA-estimated 23 mpg highway, the strong, efficient V8 generates 355 horsepower and 383 pounds-foot of torque. With a max towing capacity of 8,500 pounds, you'll have plenty of power to tow whatever else you want to bring along. Stop by today for a must-own Chevrolet Tahoe. Come see us at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia D9T3L3. Just minutes away.